Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope all of you must be fit and fine. Children, today in our computer class, what we are going to discuss? Okay, I'll just let you know. But before we start, first you tell me, where do you store your things, children? Means your toys, your books, clothes. Where do you used to store them? You store your books, your color pencil, your tiffin box where? In your school bag, water bottle. Yes or no? And your clothes, your towel, toys. Where do you used to store them? In your cupboard, isn't it? Yes. So like that, whatever we do on the computer, the data also is been stored in the computer. And the computer has also its storage device where the computer used to store the data. Okay, understood? So now all of you open computer my best book 6. Okay, and chapter 6, the computer storage. Clear? See, this one you will do it by yourself. Match the items to their correct storage place. Clear? Now we use different objects or storage devices for storing our things, as we have read now. We use different objects for storing our things, isn't it? Yes. Now whatever we do on the computer can also be stored in the same way as we store the things in a house. You know, every object in a house has a proper place, means it is stored there, isn't it? So like that, whatever we do on the computer can also be stored in the same way. Understood? So the computer has, see this one, two types of storages. One is the primary storage and second is the secondary storage. Understood? So what is the primary storage? The primary storage is present inside the computer itself. Okay, like the two types of primary storage devices are RAM and ROM. RAM, the full form of RAM is random access memory, and ROM is read only memory, about which you are going to read in class 2. Okay, now comes to the secondary storage devices. Okay, see, the secondary storage devices comprises of many things, but here it is given compact disc, pen drive, but beside that there are floppy, the multimedia sticks, the memory cards. Okay, so many storage devices are there. Okay, but here we are going to read about what? The compact disc, CD and the pen drive. Okay, basically these two are used. Compact disc and pen drives can be used for storing the work that we do on the computer. Have you seen a compact disc? See, I'm showing you this thing. This is known as your CD. Okay, a CD is round in shape or circular, triangular. What? It is round in shape. Understood? We can store letters, drawings, stories, games, so many things in this CD. Okay, and it is very cheaper than the other storage device of the computer. It just cost only 10 or 15 rupees. So it is very cheaper. Understood? So this is one of the storage device of the computer. Now comes to the pen drive. See, this is known as your pen drive. See this one? Whatever we do on the computer, we can store in this pen drive. Okay, so a pen drive is also known as flash drive. Okay, a pen drive can be kept in the pocket. See, it is a very small device, isn't it? It can be kept in the pocket or not? Yes, it has more storage space than a compact disc. This pen drive has more storage space than this compact disc. Understood? So these are the two types of storage devices which we are going to read now. About other storage devices you will be reading when? In your what? In standard 2. Okay, understood? So let's read the chapter once again. We use different object or storage devices for storing our things. Whatever we do on the computer can also be stored in the same way. Okay, you know, we read about what? Compact disc and pen drive. A CD is round in shape. We can store letters, drawings, stories, games, etc. in it. It is very cheaper than the other storage devices. Okay, and the second is the pen drive. A pen drive is also known as the flash drive. You remember this thing, children. A pen drive can be kept in a pocket. It has more storage space than a compact disc. Understood? It's a very easy chapter. Okay, so now come, let's discuss the exercises. Tick the correct option. This is used to store data in a computer. See, it is a pen drive. You are going to tick the correct option. This is used to store a cartoon movie. Here CD. It is called a pen drive. This one. Okay. Now say, match the pictures with their names. This is what? This is a box. This is a CD and this is a school bag. It's very easy, no? Yes. Now true and false. You are going to make the smileys. The data of the computer can be stored. Yes. A CD is also called a control disk. No. It is a compact disk. Okay. A pen drive is not a storage device. No. Yes, it is a storage device. Flash drive is another name for pen drive. Yes. A CD is square in shape. Is it square in shape? No, it is round in shape. Okay, so therefore this sentence is wrong. So till this much you are going to complete in your worksheet. Now let's discuss the exercises which you are going to write in your copy. Fill in the blanks. First, you know that you will write the topic name. Okay, you means here chapter 6, the computer storage, date, page number. Clear? Now first is the fill in the blanks. We use different storage devices for storing our things. A CD is round in shape. A pen drive can be kept in a pocket. Pen drive has more storage space than a compact disk. Okay, as we have discussed in the chapter. Write T for true and F for false. The data of the computer can be stored. Yes. A CD is also called the control disk. No, it is there in the worksheet also. A pen drive is not a storage device. False. A CD is rectangular in shape. No. Name two types of storage. It is primary storage and secondary storage. Name the two types of primary storage devices. It is RAM and ROM. Random access memory, read-only memory. It is fixed inside the computer. This memory are present inside the computer. Okay. Name any two secondary storage devices. It is CD and pen drive. Here it is given any two. So we have read about CD and pen drive. Okay. Other storage devices are also there, about which you are going to learn later. What is the full form of CD? It is compact disc. What is the another name of pen drive? It is flash drive. Name the pictures. It is a compact disc and it's a pen drive. Till this much you are going to write in your computer copy. Understood? We will be meeting with each other with a new chapter, that is about painting fun with paint. It is a very interesting chapter and we will do the practical of that chapter. Okay, so till then, take care of yourself. Wait for my next video. Bye bye.